Reading Manana Iguana. We're going to learn some new Spanish phrases. So before we start, I just wanted to see what you guys know, and let's see which one is true and which ones are false. So manana means tomorrow. True or false?
True.
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 True. Alright. Now, lunes means Tuesday.
True.
Yeah, I think it's true.
True. Tortuga is tortoise.
No.
False.
False. Gracias means goodbye.
False. Isn't it? Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
We'll say false. Now let's read the book and see, and we'll check these once we're finished. So let's get started. Alright, so mañana means tomorrow. True or false after we read the book?
True.
True. So we were right. Lunes means Tuesday.
False.
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 It was
It means
Monday.
Monday. Yeah. Tortuga is a tortoise.
That's true now.
True. And gracias means goodbye.
False. We knew that before.
Mhm.
It means thank you.
Alright, good.
Hey class, since we read the first 5 chapters from Harry Potter, let's do a little story map before we read the next chapter. So who are the main characters so far in the book?
Harry Potter is the main character. Ron. Dumbledore. And the other students.
Alright, what's the setting in the book so far?
Hogwarts.
Okay, so what is the problem so far at Hogwarts?
Harry doesn't want to be in the Slytherin house.
And so what action does Harry take?
When he has the Sorting Hat on, he begs the Sorting Hat not to place him there.
And what's the outcome?
Well, the Sorting Hat kind of is like, are you sure? And then he puts him into Gryffindor.
Alright, let's read the next chapter and see what happens now that we can add to our story.
All right, class, I'm going to read you a book about a little pig that doesn't want to take his turn doing the setting of the table for dinner. It's called It's Your Turn, Roger by Susanna Gratz. It's almost dinner time in all the apartments in Roger's building. Roger, it's your turn to set the table. That's his sister calling. I see you hiding, Roger. That's his little brother. Roger, you know we all take turns helping. That's Roger's dad. Roger, it's your turn. That's Roger's uncle. Roger, you heard what Uncle Tim said. I don't want to hear another word about it. And that's final. That's Roger's mom. Okay, moans Roger. In other families, you don't have to do so much work, Roger grumbles. Are you sure, asks Uncle Tim. Why don't you go and see? All right, I will, says Roger, and he stomps out the door.
Alright, students. Today we're going to role play. We're going to act out a scene from the Harry Potter book we read last night where Hermione and the rest of the students drink the Polyjuice potion. And I'll be Hermione. So let's do it.
All right, Ron, you ready? Hermione, are you drinking in the bathroom?
Cheers.
Let's go.
Alright.
Hermione, are you coming?
I'm stuck in the bathroom.
Let's just go without her.
Yeah, we need that information from Slytherin.
Great job.
Alright class, today we're going to start our week project and we're going to each pick a state and you're going to use 3 books to do a state travel brochure. So why don't you guys pick the books and then we'll get started.
I get Illinois.
I choose Michigan.
Awesome.
Alright, so since we read this book, we can't all be rattlesnakes. We're gonna take a trip to the Brookfield Zoo. So let's hop on that bus. Grow. So let's start reading.
Oh, gosh.
Alright,
Illinois.
I choose Michigan.
Awesome. Shut up. Okay.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You might get
I think-
cholera.
Cholera. I
What's
wouldn't want to
cholera?
die.
It's a disease that they developed